Hi friends, this video I will show you how to make Mudad complaints, salary acceptance or rejection. Okay friends, if your company paying salary through ATM, this is I think no need. If your company paying salary through cash payment, we must know about this. Okay, even Saudi employees or expatriate employees. Okay friends, in this video I will explain you. Okay friends, here see, if every we have I already make another video for how to make this Mudad account. Okay, if your company paying salary every month on time, so cash salary you must to open, they will tell you to accept the complaints, Mudad complaint sheet. Okay, if your company not paying you salary and company telling you to make Mudad salary acceptance, if it's your wish, if you accept, it means you received your salary. If you not accept, you did not receive salary. This is very important thing. Okay friends, okay, this is government proof. It will automatically, it will link to Ministry of Human Resource. Okay, if did not accept, it means if you rejected, you did not receive salary, like that. Okay friends, here I will show you how to accept, how to reject. Okay friends, link in description, just click the link and give your identification number and password. Your Mudad identification number is your Akama number or Saudi national ID number. If there is Saudi employee, Saudi national ID, expatriate, this normal Akama number. Password is you already, when you create a Mudad account, that is the password. Okay, you have to log in and you will receive OTP. Okay friends, so you will receive OTP. After OTP, it will bring you to Mudad site, your Mudad account. Okay, there you will get all the information. Or if you change 2-3 companies, here it will show 2-3 your company details. Then there you will receive one notification, that Mudad complaints notification from your company. You will understand easily from here. See, now I will log in. Okay, using my username password. See, I log in, I receive OTP now. After receive OTP, entry and verify. See, showing wrong. Okay, I entered wrongly. See, this is my Mudad account. Okay, here it's showing, see, 2 companies, the details, our past companies details available. Here there is one red notification. We have to click the notification. Here it's showing employer justification. Okay, here I am accepting because I received salary. If you not received your salary, reject this. See, I accepted. It means it automatically it will go to Ministry of Human Resource. Okay friends, if you not received, don't accept, just reject the notification. Okay friends, thank you so much. If you have any doubt, please ask me in comment section, I will reply you. Thank you. Please share to your friends. Thank you so much.